channel.
And I got a bunny.
He does. We are inside of our shed, and we will get to that in just a moment. We want to know how you're finding us. Are you a subscriber, potential subscriber? If you are, and you end up liking what you see, give us a thumbs up. Press that like button. It helps put our video out into the algorithm in front of people like you that enjoy content like this. This content is a DIY video that will probably unfold over the course of time. I don't foresee us getting it done all today, but today we're going to be prepping for a transformation of our shed into a chicken.
This is my hopping lot Daisy. And we were thinking about naming her Daisy, but when we picked her up, her name was already Daisy. It's crazy.
Just look at this sweet face. I mean, look at them ears. Give her a close up. Turn her sideways so they can see the little ears. The sweet ears. But yes, he's right. We were going to go pick her up this morning, and I told Brandon, I said, you know, Daisy's a pretty cute name for a bunny. And we get there, and they say that her name is Daisy.
And the other one's Hazel.
What about that? Well, I mean, like, you can't go wrong with that. It was meant to be. All right, so to start off with, the boys and I are going to clean the whole shed out and get the floor clean. So I was gonna move the chicks out, but I didn't want them to be outdoors just yet. Floor was already dry over here, so what I'm gonna wind up doing, since this half of the shed is mopped, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this part mopped and cleaned. Waiting on the floor to finish drying, and then we're going to put our first coat of paint on. I am honestly not too worried about how perfect this is going to come out. While I want it to look nice, I want it to be as functional as possible. So making sure that the floor has a good protective layer or layers, depending upon how many we need of this paint. Then we're gonna paint up the halfway up the walls. And then that's probably about all that we're gonna wind up doing. Blake and I are gonna go ahead and move the chicks back to where they were. The floor is almost dry there, and get them set back up under the heat lamp. Alright, so I got a gallon of this stuff. In pale blue. Let's see how it does. Let's get to it. Alright, she's open. Finally. We moved the chicks out of here and into the garage. Got them all set up. Let's get to painting. It's evening rounds time. I'm not aiming for perfection. The inside floor is done. Putting a different color coat of paint. It's going to be this lighter gray. I have some white paint that I'm going to redo the trim with on the doors. Paint the doors. We still have to paint the boards on the bottom of the shed. And then we're going to probably just paint halfway up the shed, inside shed itself. And then will be the hard work. Painting is very, I enjoy it. What did you do to my baby? Anywho, as you can see, Adeline is growing. She's flourishing in her new area. Larry took her out and put her in the garden. Oh, I see someone did not get the pool done yet. So we're still doing evening rounds. Larry and the boys are tackling all that stuff while I'm tackling the chicken coop. Let me show you the side. This side has already been painted. So here I am. I have painted this edge and I am on the ladder. I'm up here painting this area and getting up in, I think it's called the eave of the shed. I'm just getting up in there. You see where the old paint is and the new paint is. Getting up in them little tiny places up in there. So worried that a spider is gonna drop down on my fingers as I'm painting, and I'm gonna be standing on this ladder and I'm gonna fall. It's not tall, but still probably wouldn't feel great. So this is probably going to do it for today's video. We hope that you guys enjoyed the progress that we made on the inside of the shed. My little helper.
I got to throw some Cheetos.
He calls them Cheetos. The little paint chips with flecks of stuff. Hang on. So we had to kind of help a little meltdown in progress. We hope that you guys enjoyed the progress that we made today. Brent got to scratch his itch and help me paint the floor. Oh, but you know, on today's short, day 107, what did you say? I don't like chicken coops.
No teddy bear.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. I got it on video.
No.
Good morning. At least it's good morning here. So the boys and I are headed somewhere that together we have not done before. This has been done once before, and it was a surprise from Larry years ago, and I'm pretty sure that it was for Valentine's Day when he actually came home with this surprise, and I was just smitten. At this point, actually I'm not quite sure how this is going to be fit into the video just yet, but we're putting together the chicken coop, and then we've already introduced you guys to the baby chicks that Larry. I cannot believe that I have not put those clips in, so let's do a quick flashback and show you guys when we traveled to Rural King. Traveled to Rural King for a late date, Valentine's date, and instead of buying me a dozen flowers, he bought me a dozen baby chicks.
They're all roosters.
They're not.
They might be.
They might be. Never know.
If they are, we ain't coming back. It's too far. We got.
Oh, pooping. Wait, Mom, before I touch baby chicks, can I? Supposed to be.
Yes, exactly. That's what your dad said.
Okay, who's first? Wait, Mom, so we go inside and wash my hands, come back out and eat a cookie? Right?
Yeah, you have to wash your hands first.
Okay.
Hey, baby. Hi, oh, you can come back up here.
What's wrong with that one?
It's fine. Yeah, they're fine.
Wow, this one's got a big head. Look at it. They've got stuff stuck in their head.
Probably can't see nothing but my hand.
And then we got one little gray one.
Welcome to the farm, babies.
Alright, guess what number I'm staring at? 2.
And I went out on our day date and had gotten, as you all know, chicken math is a real thing, if that tells you anything. So this is a very first for myself and the boys. Let's go on an adventure. Just got it.
And Blake don't know how to open it.
Oh my goodness. Does everybody look okay?
Yeah. So far.
Oh my word. I can't wait to get you guys home. Look at all them babies. You ready to get out and go to your new home? Let's get you out of here and get your bellies full.
Food, water.
2. Blake has 3.
Look, food, you eat
4.
that. Water.
Blake has 5.
Water.
6. Alright, that should be good. The rest of them will tell the other ones where the food and water is. 7. Oh, thank you, your new friends. 9.
Oh.
10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Not yet,
17,
20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
That's awful.
Okay, so I added this in when I ordered the chicks. It's supposed to be good for up to 100 chicks. It also says, where did it say it? 100 chicks or poults, 200 pheasants, 400 quail chicks. It supplies hatchlings with food and water within 24 hours of cell administration, used within 6 hours of mixing. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in here with all of them. It says you have to mix it with half a cup of water. So that's what we did. So it turns into, I use my finger to stir it, don't judge me. It turns into like this blue liquid. It's kind of hard to tell with the blue container, but we're gonna put it in here. It appears as though we have some takers, and these are the newer ones. Yeah. Showing everybody what to do. Oh my goodness. What? I see. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for our video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing these sweet little faces.
And we got a mystery chick, and it's
We're pretty positive it's a Bantam. It's a mystery chick, so we'll have to watch it grow. But thanks for watching, hanging out with us, being here with us. We got a lot of work to do. Spring's coming, nicer weather's coming, so we're gonna be doing a lot more things outside. And fishing.
I'm excited.
And turkey hunting.
Yeah. So we'll see you on the next one, y'all.
That's a wrap.